Hello student, am I audible? Hello? Am I audible or not? Okay. So today is the chemistry practical. Chemistry practical. The revision on salt analysis. How you will find out the cation and anion present in unknown salt. That is known as salt analysis. Okay. I have already performed some unknown salt in front of you. Today another two salt. So first we take a salt solution in a test tube. Original solution to prepare the original solution. You take the salt solution in a test tube, dissolve in distilled water. Dissolve in distilled water. Okay. Dissolve in distilled water. Now you first perform the test for anion. First you perform the test for anion. You take small amount of sample in a test tube. Now add first silver nitrate solution. For anion, you first add silver nitrate solution, AgNO3, silver nitrate. What do you observe? No PPT is formed. That means halide ion, means chloride, bromide, iodide ion are absent in this salt. You reject the solution. Wash the test tube. Again you take 1 cc fresh OS. Again you take 1 cc fresh OS. Now you add barium chloride solution. Barium chloride solution. You observe a white precipitate is formed. A white precipitate is formed. White precipitate due to formation of barium sulfate. Now to this precipitate you add dilute HCl. To this precipitate you add dilute HCl. The precipitate is insoluble. It again white precipitate. It is not soluble. So a white precipitate is formed which is insoluble in mineral acid, that is the test for sulfate ion. To perform the test for nitrate ion, you take the original solution. Now add small amount of freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Add small amount of freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Now to this solution, this is concentrated sulfuric acid. To this solution, you add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly from the walls of the test tube. You add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly and you observe no brown ring is formed. No brown colored ring is formed. That means nitrate ion is absent. So what is the anion present in the given salt? The anion present in the given salt is sulfate ion. Okay. So this is the confirmatory test for sulfate ion. Okay. Now for the test for cation, you again take 1 cc fresh OS. 1 cc fresh OS. You add dilute HCl. This is the group reagent for group 1. You add dilute HCl. You must remember all the group reagent for each group. No white PPT is formed, clear solution. That means group 1 is absent. Now through this solution you pass freshly prepared, you pass sodium sulfide flake of sodium sulfide. That means you pass H2S gas. Here also no white PPT is formed but black PPT is formed. That means group 2 absent. You reject the solution. The group 1, group 2 absent. Now you perform the group 3. What is the group reagent? You take original solution. Now you add first ammonium chloride. You first add ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Now you add ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Now you observe a dirty green precipitate is formed. You observe a dirty green precipitate is formed. This dirty green precipitate is due to formation of ferrous hydroxide. So group 3 is present. Group 3 is present. So this is the group reagent, ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. If any precipitate is formed, group 3 is present. Now you do not know, you have to confirm whether it is ferrous or ferric or aluminium. Ferrous ion, ferric ion, aluminium ion are present in group 3. So you have to confirm which cation present in group 3. For the conformity test, you first dissolve this dirty green precipitate with minimum quantity of dilute HCl. You add dilute HCl and shake to dissolve it. Say it is clear solution. Now you add here potassium ferricyanide solution, K3FeCN whole 6, potassium ferricyanide, not ferrocyanide. If any reddish brown precipitate will appear, then you can add potassium ferrocyanide. But here dirty green precipitate appeared, so you add potassium ferricyanide. You observe a Prussian blue precipitate is formed. Deep blue color একটা precipitate তৈরি হয়েছে দেখ, Prussian blue precipitate is formed. This precipitate has the chemical formula ferric ferrocyanide. This is the conformity test for ferric ion. Okay, so unfortunately I cannot show you in the lab because it is very pleasant color, Prussian blue color. Okay, so but you observe it. So the given sample contain the cation হচ্ছে ferrous ion, anion হচ্ছে sulfate ion. So it is ferrous sulfate. Since you have got the cation at group 3, so no need to write the test for group 4 or group 5 or group 6, because you have already got the cation at group 3 and your sample contain only one cation, so no need to write the further group, that is group 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so what will be the procedure of writing? You first write in this heading preparation of OS. So what you say, the small amount of solid sample is taken in the test tube and distilled water is added and shake it. The solid sample dissolve in distilled water. This is OS. Okay. Now next, dry heating test. This test you have not to perform in the lab, but you have to write. You must write in the answer script. What will be the dry heating test? In the experiment column, you write, take a dry test tube and pinch of solid sample in the dry test tube, very small amount of solid sample in the dry test tube, and heat on Bunsen flame. So what do you observe? First you write, এটাতে কি ferrous sulfate তো, তাহলে রাইট করতে পারি যে এ রেডিশ ব্রাউন মানে ফেরাসটা হিট করলে খাবে, ফেরিকে কনভার্ট হয়ে যাবে হিট করলে ফেরাস সালফেট, তা বলবি যে এ সাফোকেটিং অর্ডার গ্যাস ইজ ইভলভ অ্যান্ড দ্য রেসিডিউ গ্র্যাজুয়ালি চেঞ্জেস টু রেডিশ ব্রাউন, because you know ferrous sulfate on heating give ferric oxide plus SO2 plus SO3. SO2 and SO3 is suffocating order. In observation you write a suffocating order gas is evolved and a reddish brown residue is left. Inference, the ferrous ion may be present. Okay, it is a dry heating test. Now flame test. What will be the experiment column? You take small amount of solid sample and make a paste, PASTE, with concentrated HCl. The paste is taken in the loop of the platinum wire and heat on Bunsen flame. Observation, no characteristic color of the flame, that is green color or apple grassy color or reddish brown or brick red, no color is observed, or blue flame, no characteristic color of the flame is observed. So you can write barium ion, calcium ion, strontium ion, copper ion may be absent. Okay. Now dilute sulfuric acid test. Take a small amount of solid sample in the test tube. Now you add not solid sample but original solution. Take 1 cc original solution in a test tube, add dilute sulfuric acid. No gas is evolved. So carbonate, sulfide, sulfide, these radicals are absent. Okay. Now concentrated sulfuric acid test. What you write? Take a dry test tube, add a solid pinch of solid sample and add few drops concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay. What do you observe? No gas is evolved, but the solid sample gradually turns to reddish brown. কেন ফেরাস থেকে ফেরিক হয়ে গেছে concentrated sulfuric acid. So iron ion may be present, ferrous ion may be present. Okay. Now finally the weight test for anion. এটা আমরা বলে দিলাম ওয়েট টেস্ট ফর অ্যানায়নে কী লিখবো আমরা, যেটা আমরা করে দেখালাম এখানে। ল্যাবে শুধুমাত্র ওয়েট টেস্টটা করে দেখে নিবি, আর লিখতে হবে সবগুলি। ওয়েট টেস্ট ফর অ্যানায়ন হচ্ছে ইন দ্য এক্সপেরিমেন্ট কলাম ইউ রাইট টেক 1 cc OS, okay, 1 cc OS, add 1 cc silver nitrate solution. No white PPT, halide ion is absent. Again in experiment column, take 1 cc OS, 1 cc freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, then add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly from the walls of the test tube. OS plus ferrous sulfate plus sulfuric acid. No brown ring is formed, nitrate ion is absent. Again in experiment column you write take 1 cc OS, 1 cc barium chloride solution. A white PPT is formed which is soluble in mineral acid, which is insoluble in all mineral acid. Sulfate ion is confirmed. In inference column you must write the equation, the SO4 2 minus plus BaCl2 give BaSO4 plus 2Cl minus. Now the systematic group analysis for cation. First you have already prepared the OS. In experiment column you write take 1 cc OS plus 1 cc dilute hydrochloric acid. Observation no PPT. Inference group 1 absent. Again experiment number 2, take 1 cc OS, 1 cc dilute HCl, then pass hydrogen sulfide gas, H2S gas. Observation no PPT. Inference group 2 absent. Experiment number 3, take 1 cc OS, 1 cc ammonium chloride, then add ammonium hydroxide dropwise. Observation a dirty green precipitate is formed. Inference group 3 present. Okay, dirty green precipitate for group 3 present. Now you write the analysis of group 3 precipitate. And group 3 precipitate analysis করে আমাকে কনফার্ম করতে হবে which cation is present. The analysis of group 3 present. In experiment column you write that dissolve the precipitate in dilute HCl and divide into 2 parts. To the first part you add potassium ferrocyanide, no blue PPT, no Prussian blue PPT, so ferric ion is absent. To the second part you add potassium ferricyanide, K3FeCN whole 6, a deep Prussian blue precipitate is appeared, so ferrous ion is confirmed. So last লিখবি the given sample contain the cation Fe2 plus anion SO4 2 minus, so salt is ferrous sulfate. So in this way, systematic way, you have to write in all these 8 columns, otherwise the marks, full marks will not be given. Okay, this test, this experiment carry 8 marks. Okay. Hello student, any problem? Hello, any problem? So in the now we perform another unknown test, another unknown salt. Okay, wait for few minutes, I have to wash all the test tube. So first you take a solid sample and ppr OS for second salt. You take small amount of solid sample, now you dissolve in distilled water to form OS. Okay. You shake well until all the salt is dissolved. Now from this solid sample, from this OS, you take small amount of OS in another test tube, and for the same process you perform first the weight test for anion. So you first add barium chloride solution. Barium chloride solution. You observe no PPT is formed. When you add barium chloride solution, you observe no precipitate is formed. That means sulfate ion is absent. Okay. You reject the solution. Wash the test tube. Again you take small amount of original solution. Small amount of original solution. Now you add silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate solution. You observe a cardi white precipitate is formed. A cardi white precipitate is formed. This precipitate is due to formation of silver chloride AgCl. Now you take small amount of precipitate and add ammonium hydroxide and observe whether the precipitate is dissolved or not. You add ammonium hydroxide, you see the precipitate gradually dissolve. The precipitate gradually disappear. This is due to formation of diamine silver chloride. Diamine silver chloride. So the given sample contain the anion chloride ion. The anion chloride ion. For nitrate ion, you first prepare a freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. You prepare a freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Okay. Now take small amount of solid sample, freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. Add original solution to ferrous sulfate solution. Okay. Now you add concentrated sulfuric acid. You observe no brown ring is formed. No brown ring is formed. That means nitrate ion is absent. So the given sample contain chloride ion. This is the test for anion. Given sample contain the anion chloride ion. Okay. So for the anion test, you must perform the 3 weight tests. First one, silver nitrate. If any precipitate is formed, then chloride or bromide is obtained. White precipitate হলে chloride আর একটু পেল হোয়াইট হলে bromide আর ইয়েলো হলে পেল হোয়াইট নয় মানে পেল ইয়েলো টাইপের আর ডিপ ইয়েলো টাইপের হলে আয়োডাইড। সেকেন্ড ইউ অ্যাড বেরিয়াম ক্লোরাইড, হোয়াইট প্রেসিপিটেট, সালফেট, আর থার্ড ইউ পারফর্ম দ্য নাইট্রেট টেস্ট। ওকে, নাও ফর দ্য সেকেন্ড মানে এবার নাও ইউ পারফর্ম দ্য গ্রুপ অ্যানালিসিস for cation. The anion you have already obtained chloride ion. Now you first take small amount of sample, you add dilute HCl. Group 1. Only you have to remember the group reagent. You had dilute HCl. No white precipitate is formed. That means group 1 absent. Now you perform group 3. For group 2, through this solution you have to pass H2S gas. If you pass H2S gas through acidified ordinary solution and if you observe a black precipitate is formed, then it is copper ion or mercury ion. If you observe a একটু yellow টাইপের precipitate tin ion, but H2S is not actually present in our lab because I have to prepare in KEEP apparatus. When offline class will start, then I will prepare the H2S. So now you perform the group 3. What is the reagent for group 3? Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Now you add ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. You observe no precipitate is formed. No precipitate is formed. That means group 3 is absent. Group 3 is absent. No need to perform group 4 because H2S is not present. Now what is the group reagent for group 5? Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. I have already given ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. Then you add ammonium carbonate solution. Ammonium carbonate solution. To the solution you add ammonium carbonate. You observe a white precipitate is formed. You observe a white precipitate is formed. That means group 5 is present. Group 5 is present. Now what will you do? Now you have to dissolve this precipitate in minimum quantity of dilute acetic acid. It dissolve this precipitate in acetic acid. Wait for 1 minute. I have to brought the acetic acid. You dissolve the precipitate in minimum quantity of dilute acetic acid. See, the precipitate gradually dissolve. It is clear solution. Precipitate dissolve. Now you divide the precipitate in two part. To the first part you add potassium chromate. If any yellow precipitate appear, then barium ion is confirmed. You add potassium chromate, K2CrO4, and you observe a yellow precipitate is formed. That is barium ion is confirmed. To the second part you add sodium oxalate. Here also white precipitate is formed. Sodium oxalate. See, no PPT, a slight white precipitate portion. Now if only white PPT is formed but no yellow PPT, then it is calcium ion. But if both white PPT and yellow PPT is formed by adding sodium oxalate and potassium chromate, then it is barium ion. So barium ion is confirmed. You can also confirm this test by flame test. What you have to do? You make a paste of solid sample with concentrated HCl and take in the loop of the platinum wire and hold over Bunsen flame. A grassy green or apple green flame confirm barium ion. Grassy green or apple green flame confirm the barium ion. Okay. So student, this show the given sample contain the cation হচ্ছে barium ion, anion হচ্ছে chloride ion. So what is the composition of the salt? Barium chloride. The composition of the salt is barium chloride. Now how you have to write? You have to write in this order. First you write the preparation of OS. The given salt solution, given salt is soluble in distilled water. Now dry heating test সেখানে কি লিখবি? The solid sample is taken in a dry test tube and heat on Bunsen flame. A cracking sound is obtained. At a cracking sound হবে ফট 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 করে একটা আওয়াজ হবে. This cracking sound due to the presence of barium ion. So you may conclude inference কি লিখবি? Ba+2 ion may be present. ঠিক আছে? Next, flame test. Take a small amount of solid sample, make a paste with concentrated HCl and flame test is performed with platinum wire. a apple green or grassy green flame is observed, একটা বুনসেন বানানে ফ্লেমটা একটু সবুজ হয়ে যাবে, অ্যাপেল গ্রিন বা গ্রাসি গ্রিন, so barium ion may be present, you can write. Now dilute sulfuric acid test. Take 1 cc OS in a test tube, add dilute H2SO4. What do you observe? No gas is evolved. No gas is evolved means carbonate ion, sulfide ion may be absent. কেন এরা থাকলে কি হবে? CO2 বা SO2 বা H2S গ্যাস দেয়। Next, concentrated sulfuric acid test. Take very small amount of solid sample in a dry test tube, add concentrated sulfuric acid. Observation, a colorless gas with suffocating odor is observed. একটা colorless gas বুদবুদ করে একটা গ্যাস বেরোচ্ছে বা গ্যাসটা খুব suffocating odor, because the gas is HCl gas, because your sample, তার মানে what do you conclude? Cl minus ion may be present. A colorless gas with suffocating odor is formed, inference লিখবি Cl minus ion may be present. Next, weight test for anion, যেটা আগে বললাম, তিনটে কলাম করলাম। ইন এক্সট্রুডেন্ট কলাম, টেক 1 cc OS plus 1 cc barium chloride solution. No white PPT, sulfate ion is absent. Experiment number 2, take 1 cc OS, 1 cc silver nitrate solution. A white PPT is formed which is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. Cl minus ion is confirmed. এখানে লিখবি confirm, কারণ ওয়েট টেস্টটা হচ্ছে কনফার্মেটরি টেস্ট। এক্সপেরিমেন্ট নাম্বার 3, take 1 cc OS, add 1 cc freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, then add H2S, মানে concentrated sulfuric acid slowly from the walls of the test tube. No brown ring is formed, nitrate ion is absent. So chloride ion, sulfate ion, nitrate ion, these are the tests for anion. Now systematic group analysis for cation. What you write? In the experiment column you write, take 1 cc OS plus 1 cc dilute HCl. No PPT. Observation, inference, group 1 absent. Experiment column, second, through this solution pass H2S gas. Through this solution mean 1 cc OS plus 1 cc dilute HCl, then pass H2S gas. No white PPT, group 2, no PPT, group 2 absent. Now reject the solution, take fresh 1 cc OS, add ammonium chloride and few drops of ammonium hydroxide. No PPT, group 3 absent. Through this solution, that is ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, you pass H2S gas. No PPT, group 2, group 4 absent. Now finally you write, take again 1 cc fresh OS, add ammonium chloride, 1 or 2 drops ammonium hydroxide, then add ammonium carbonate solution, NH4 CO3. A white precipitate is formed, group 5 absent. A group 5 present. A white PPT is formed, group 5 is present. Okay. Now you write analysis of group 5 precipitate. এই যে group 5 precipitate পড়লো, তাকে আমরা analysis করতে হবে to find the cation. Will be the precipitate is dissolved in dilute acetic acid and divide into 2 parts. To the first part, add potassium chromate solution, K2CrO4. A yellow PPT of barium chromate, yellow PPT is formed, Ba+2 ion is confirmed. To the second part, add sodium oxalate solution, no PPT, calcium. To the second part, add sodium oxalate solution, no PPT, calcium ion is absent. So the given sample contain the cation Ba+2 and anion Cl minus. So salt is barium chloride. Okay. So in this systematic way you must write in the final board exam. Okay. So these two salt, this I will today I performed the two salt. One is ferrous sulfate, another is barium chloride, and I also told you how to write in the systematic way. In the systematic way, you write in this following heading: preparation of OS, then dry heating test, then flame test, then dilute sulfuric acid test, then concentrated sulfuric acid test, then weight test, then systematic group analysis for cation, and finally the conformity test for cation. So if you write in this way, you must get the full marks. Okay. So in the next class, that is next Friday, I will show you some redox titration again, repetition of redox titration.